And our crew looks like they're ready to roll. We got some bow lines out. I'm assuming we got some stern lines on the ready as well. Don't like the grill being on this side. Something else to get in the way. And oh no, our guy's caught on the bow rail. Oh, he has to pull it back up. The grill hits the dock like we kind of thought it would. And my man got lucky there. I thought we were gonna have a swimmer early here. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy at Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. So everybody is on the right-hand side of this boat. We're gonna get one person stepping off. We got a bow line on, or it looks like maybe a mid-cleat. My line of preference as well. And we'll get the stern off also. And Cap should be able to kill the motors from here, and they should be good to go. The boys will just walk them up. Up, Cap gave a little nudge forward. Look out! And they're gonna bump off the front of the boat. Oh, that's why when you got two people on, man, you just let it be. Yeah, bro, your rear straps are still on. Did we realize it? Ah, light bulb moment. And I think they did. They realized that the straps are still on the stern of the boat. Well, our crew got the straps off, and they're about to back down. And what in the Biscayne Bay heck do we have going on here? Somebody's being towed in. So Wifey, we kind of missed her leap there, but great leap off the bow of the boat. She's gonna walk the tow vessel up. Gotta be careful, guys, close to the motors. And he goes for the quick save with the foot, but man, you know, it's not like a car. We don't have any brakes. They stop and the other boat keeps coming. And here we go. They're gonna try and roll up to the dock, and then we'll walk this one up. And that's probably the best approach. And our guy's gonna go over the bow rail. There we go. And this crew should be good to roll on this one. Thought we might get a little more action out of that because it was actually a fairly big tow right here, and got a little wind and current, a lot going on. Things can go wrong, but they did a pretty good job. And it looks like we got a floater down here at Black Point. If you look down by the trailer, you're gonna see one of the guide poles came off, starting to float away. And our guys checking out the situation. Probably trying to decide if it's worth it. If he wants to get in the water with the creatures that live down here at Black Point as well. It looks like he's going for it. We're taking the shoes and the shirt off. So my man's going for a swim. And this is where a boat hook would save the day. If they had a boat hook, they could just drag it over to the side of the boat. His buddy looks like he's debating on going for the swim. But better judgment looks like it's stopping him. Like, yeah, I don't think I'm getting in that water, man. I probably wouldn't either. And unless it was my guide pole. So I am fibbing a little there. If it was mine, yes, I'd get in. So my man's gonna climb over the trailer, try and go out here and grab it. Going down the Black Point slip and slide, you can tell he's sliding right down the ramp. And there we go, he falls right in as he slides down, but gets his pole, got the grab, gonna try and put it back on. better man than I probably would not. I guess this is the safe bet, though. He's got a metal pole hanging out underwater, so you definitely don't want to scuff the boat up. Now, the interesting part's going to be getting back up because the ramp's so slick. We watched you slide the whole way down, bro. So there we go. He's just going to grab onto the trailer and walk himself up. And they're loading the boat as he crosses in front of the bow stop. That's not a good idea. But he does get across. And now we're trying to kick it on. Looking to pull it forward, but they're having all kinds of issues. This thing is completely sideways on the trailer, basically, right now. You can see where my man is right there, where the winch stop is. He's got to try and get the bow of this boat back over to that. And there we go, slowly coming back around. But it definitely looks like it's loading a little crooked. Okay, they might have it going now. Let's see how this one fares out as they try and pull it out, because my man's got his wheels in the water a little bit as well, which tells me it might not be as smooth a pull out as they like. So we're all going to load in the truck. Nobody's going to watch from the outside, so we feel pretty confident about this. And so far, so good. Slight slippage, but the boat is moving on the trailer. And he's going to back down just a little bit. He's trying to center. Once again, it looks like it's just a little bit off, maybe in the bow. And there we go. It sits down. And they'll get it out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.